Okay, welcome to my channel again. Today we are coming to look at how to record a song on your PC. Alright, you are going to use a simple application, a free application. Alright, so if you are like an underground or upcoming artist, you don't really have money to go to a real studio, well, this is something for you. Okay, so you can just download this free application. If you already have a laptop or a PC, yep, so the laptop or PC, you also need a headset, all right, with a microphone. We have this kind of headset that comes with a microphone, simple, cheap, something simple. Yep, at least you record and listen to yourself, and you know if you're doing well with your rap and all those things. I'm not really a rapper, but yes, I just want to do this. And yeah, let's see. So let's dive right in. So the first thing to do is to um open the application, right? And the name of the application is Audacity. Okay, so Audacity, yeah, and that's the name of the application. So yeah, all right. So after opening the application, you have to import your audio track. All right, so let's say you select your audio track, drag and drop, that's it. So click here just to minimize this whole thing. It's taking too much space, so you click here to minimize it. All right, now to start, before you start rapping, you don't just um you click on the record button, but you don't just click on it and start recording. First you have to make sure your microphone is plugged in your laptop or your PC, your headset is, or everything is connected, right? Cool. Then the next thing is to come to this side, microphone. All right, so you just make it, just you can choose this. Playback is where your sound will be playing. If you have a speaker connected, that speaker will be listed here, and you can just choose. Recording is where you are really going to record your sound from. So my microphone is connected and my microphone is on here. All right, I do not have a speaker. My microphone doesn't really come with an headset. Okay, the microphone I'm using doesn't come with an headset. It's only a microphone, so I don't really have an headset. So um I've not really set up a music recording studio, so the sound I'll be playing might be getting into the microphone alongside my voice, and it's all going to be messy. But this tutorial is just to teach you how something like this is done. You can prepare yourself well and do it well if you really want to do something like this. So you only need your PC, your microphone, yep, and this application. So if you don't want the music to be playing and so getting into your microphone, you have to get something to cover it. Yeah, so and the recording channel, you can choose this. All right, the mono recording channel. So that's it. So this the little settings you have to do before you start recording. All right, so now you have to come here to track, so this is the music you imported. Now you come to track. Yeah, you have to add a new track which you'll be doing your recording on. So this is the new track. This is what your recording is going to be going on. Click here. Yeah, so that's it. So that's the song playing. The instrumental I'll be using. Okay, it's actually an instrumental, but it has a hook. All right, and there's a hook in the instrumental. So let me just not waste too much time. So now the next thing to do is obviously to click the record button. There's also another thing. Let me bring it. The meter. Okay, yeah, this. Yeah, so you can use this to increase the volume of the song. Either you're recording the volume of your recording. So let me just keep this somewhere. Yeah, let's just dive in and start our recording. Let's go. So you can increase the volume of your recording or the volume of the music that's playing. The meter here can also read the sound, how high, so which of the sound is high. If the instrumental sound is higher than your voice, you can also, it will all be displayed here. So let's go, let's record. Once again, like I said, I'm not a rapper. I don't know how to rap. Rap is not my thing. I'm just trying to do this just to educate, just to let you know, and just to inform you how to do something like that. So once I talk, you can see this meter also plays my voice, and I think this one is for the instrumental. So let's continue. Yeah. So whenever you try to talk, make sure your voice matches or moves with this, so that at least your voice will be heard. Your voice won't be too low. Your voice won't be too low, and the instrumental will overcome your voice, and your voice won't be heard. So use this meter. This meter is also here to do your recording. When did I become so ah. When did I lose myself? I don't wanna lose myself. All the words that leave my tongue. Nee. Just. When did I lose myself? Don't make me lose myself. Yeah, so this software just to teach you how to rap and maybe record your rap, make it a track. I don't know. Okay, let's go. See, all right. I just want to teach you how to rap, record your rap. This thing might be different track. Yeah, but I hope it ain't whack. Like it. Well, I don't really. And I'm gonna do this every day and every single day. What are my feelings? I'm feeling. I feel I recorded this thing again. Going back to record it again. Where's the real me? Yeah, so please try and subscribe to my channel, like this video, share and drop some comment on the comment section. The more you play with this kind of application, you master it, you become good in it, everything will be good with you. Don't forget to subscribe, give your comment, like my video, share it, let it go out there. I know I ain't a rapper, I'm just doing this for you. This supposed to be my second verse. I love this intro that's into how to use this application called the Audacity. Audacity. I know I ain't got this thing. Where are my feelings? Unless I record this thing again. Man, make I stop. Let me stop recording here. So that's it. So that's basically how to. Let me play this thing. See, let me bring the mixer again, and let me play it and see what it sounds like. So there was something happening when I play it. Only plays for a second. It comes to play because of this thing here. All right, this thing here. So it means I only selected this little portion to play. So please work on it. Don't watch it when it happens here. So bring it. So it means they is playing from here to here. All right, I forgot that one. So let's play. Let's go. So you can see here the instrumental is higher. Okay, so my voice, the instrumental. When did I become so when did I lose myself? I don't wanna lose myself. All the words that leave my tongue. When did I lose myself? The voice is a little clear. Yeah. Make me lose myself. Yeah, so this software just teach you how to rap and maybe record your rap. Make it the track. I don't like it. Okay, let's go. See, alright. I just want to teach you how to rap. Record your rap. This thing might be different track. Yeah, but I hope it ain't rap. Like it. So look here. So my voice is low. My voice is low here. So let me put there. My voice up. My voice is, yeah. I think my voice is. I feel like recording this thing again. So my voice. Back to record it again. So I just made my voice high. Where's the real me? Yeah, so please try and subscribe to my channel. Like this video, share and drop some comments on the comment section. So you can record more tracks. Let me add another. Let me take this track off. Add another track, and let me mute this one. Let me mute the one I recorded. Cool. I only wanted to just teach this thing, but it seems like it looks like I'm loving this instrument. I just want to do something. Okay. I'm not a rapper, so let me just record again. Let's see what happens. Let's go. Nitus Beast Mode Record. Audacity. Not the name of this application. This instrumental is from NF Music. NF Music. The title of the song or instrumental is Paralyzed. The artist is NF. NF also raps like Eminem. Nathan. Yeah, okay, let's go. Adakadabra, that's the magic word. I wish I can make mountain out of a molehill. Trade a beat for a trip to paradise, that's a good deal. Generation of lyric is a blessing. True determination, I reach my destination. Just an imagination, full force, no limitation. Kick them off, no hesitation. I wish, let them wish. They all enemies. Yeah. Adakadabra. Free me. Feeling. Let me go. I'm lost. It kills me. Yeah. Go. Them I think say them are the best. And now they who them I forget. Say them are the guest me, them a teacher. Them are the pay, them a make a vex. I make them a regret. Them no feel. Hey. I'm done. Hey, it's enough. So yeah, this is how to use this application. After that, you can play with the effects. Add a little effects, pitch, volume, compress. I don't want to go through all this. It's going to be a long video if I decide to go through all these things. But you can play with this application. The more you work with it, you will learn. It's a very simple application to use.